Hello children, today let's see what is a statement and what is a question. So before we could go into this particular topic, first we'll see what is a sentence, because based on the given sentence you have to identify whether the sentence is of statement kind or a question kind. Now let's see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that gives a complete meaning. A sentence is nothing but a different kinds of word or a different form of word joining together that will give us a one complete meaning. And the other thing is that a sentence will always begins with a capital letter. Before we could write a sentence, we'll always start with a capital letter. So that is a sentence. And now let's see what is a statement. A sentence that states something is called a statement. So when a sentence is telling you about something or it is giving you about some particular information, all these sentence we will call it as a statement sentence. Another easy thing to identify the statement sentence is that it will end with a full stop. So by looking at this, you can easily identify it as a statement sentence. Now let's see an example for a statement sentence. Amit is my friend. By looking at this sentence, it is telling you all some information that Amit is a friend. It begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So you can easily tell that this sentence is a statement kind of sentence. And the second example is, this is my book. It is giving you all some information that is a particular book belongs to one particular person. So this is my book. It begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So by looking at this two sentence, you can easily tell it is a statement kind of sentence. Now let's go to the question kind. So how you will easily identify this question kind is, a sentence that asks about something is called a question. When someone is asking you about some particular information or when they ask you about particular thing, then you can easily tell it is a question kind of sentence. How you will easily identify this? Yes, it generally begins with the word why, where, when, what, who, will and how. If you find any sentence beginning with these following words, you can easily tell it is a question kind of sentence. And one more thing is that it ends with a question mark. It ends with a question mark. Now let's see example for a question sentence. What are you doing? By looking at the sentence, can you look at the first word, what? It begins with what? It begins with what and ends with a question mark. If you find this kind of sentence, you can easily tell it is a question kind of sentence. Now one more example. Why are you late? By looking at the sentence, what is the first word? It is beginning with the word why and it ends with a question mark. So by looking at this sentence, you can easily tell it is a question kind of sentence. Hope you all understood what is a statement and what is a question. Thank you children.